So hello dears, I'm back with the number series and I'm going to start with the 0, which all of us get in maths mostly. So here's the number 0. I'm starting with the number series now, 0 to 9. So I'll complete it, I think, within this week. So it's very quick and easy. Thanks for watching. So let's begin. I'm using a 4 mm hook. Hope you can see. A tapestry needle to tuck the yarn in and a scissor to cut the yarn wherever required. So let's begin. So we make a slip knot and make 10 chains. So we made 10 chains. Go into the first chain, slip and then make 3 chains and then make 20 double crochets or single crochets or half double crochets, whatever you prefer. It all depends on you, and you can use these for putting out in your classroom or on make a keychain of a knot and make 20 double crochets and come back to you. So I'm back with my 0 project, which is, now we will just slip stitch into the first chain, which we had made 3 chains earlier. So we made 3 chains in the beginning, and this is used as a double crochet too. You add this up when you're making all the double crochets. So I have 20 double crochets including the 3 chains. So thank you for watching, and this is a very quick project, so you can try it. You can just cut the yarn, like, share and subscribe, and then tuck the yarn in by just threading this needle and then just tuck it in to this, into these chains, and your work will be completed and it will look neat too. So here we cut it here and one more cut here. So we have a 0. You can stretch it if you want so that it looks like a better 0. And this one I didn't tuck this in, but I will. So this is another, just for showing you one extra. So bye bye. See you tomorrow with number 1.